Tu Bishvat is here, and it is the perfect holiday to celebrate with your kids. It is often known as the birthday for trees. It's kind of like the Jewish Earth Day. It's also a celebration of springtime in Israel. There are so many ways to celebrate this, and today I am doing a collaboration with Marion from My Jewish Mommy Life. She's another Jewish mom who's putting out videos about doing Jewish things with her kids. She also does great cleaning and organizing videos. She believes in minimalism, so she's great for all of those things. I will let her introduce herself, and I will be including a link to her Tu Bishvat video and to her channel in the box below.
Hey everyone, so we're gonna start on our hike now. I got Max on my back and we've got family with us and we're gonna have a really fun time, right Max? And we're gonna collect things along our way and bring home like little nature things for him to enjoy. And I'll talk to him a little bit about Tu Bishvat and appreciating trees and nature. So yeah, you excited to go on the hike, Max?
So today we are going to be doing a Tu Bishvat Seder. It's a really easy, fun, accessible way to get into the holiday, to get around the table, and really be thankful for all of the things that trees and the earth do for us. And it's an eating holiday, so that makes it really accessible and fun for kids too. It's also something that you can do a little bit of with the little ones, or do something a little more intensive with older kids. PJ Library has a great Tu Bishvat Seder that includes a lot of discussion with your little ones. So I will link that below. I will also link below some other resources for Tu Bishvat Seder materials if you wanted to do it in a more formalized way. But this is definitely something that you can do a lot more casually as well. All right, so here is my haul for our Tu Bishvat Seder. I definitely went a little overboard. During the Seder, we split the foods into 3 categories, and I'll be doing that with you in a minute. But I wanted to go over with you my thought process when I was choosing these foods. I included a pomegranate and dates and figs because those are foods that are eaten in Israel, and I wanted to connect that in. Part of this holiday is trying new things, and so as you know, all kids are different when it comes to trying new things. And so what I did was I bought some of these fruits in different forms. So I have bananas and banana chips, grapes and golden raisins, and strawberries and freeze-dried strawberries. I also got nuts in shells. I know that my kids know that nuts come in shells, but we've never cracked them open with a nutcracker before, so that'll be a fun thing to do. Now I'm going to get ready for our Seder by splitting these fruits into their 3 categories. The first category here are fruits that are hard on the outside and soft on the inside. These fruits are a great reminder that we shouldn't judge things by the way they look on the outside, but by what is on the inside. And in this category, I went overboard, but I got nuts and an orange and pomegranate and coconut chips, my 2 kinds of bananas, and some dried pineapple rings. Next are fruits with pits. I got to include Israel again with avocado here, and some frozen peaches, dried cherries, dried apricots, and dates. These are a reminder not to underestimate our own potential. The pits in these fruits that we usually throw away have the potential to grow into big fruit trees. And finally, fruits that are totally edible, totally yummy. As we eat these whole fruits, it's a reminder of our connection with the wholeness of the earth and a chance for us to reflect on what we personally are doing to help the world flourish. Hey guys, I hope this video gave you some inspiration. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I've always got things going on Instagram and Facebook. And check out what else I've got going on.